The Internet. The seed of the Internet was planted in 1969 when the Advanced Research Projects Agency (ARPA) of the United States Department of Defense began connecting computers at different universities and defense contractors. The resulting network was called Advanced Research Project Agency Network (ARPANET). In the beginning, ARPANET was a large network serving only a handful of users, but it expanded rapidly. Initially, the network included 4 primary host computers. The Internet acts as a carrier for several different services, each with its own distinct features and purposes. The most commonly used Internet services are World Wide Web, electronic mail, news, file transfer protocol, chat, instant messaging, online services, and peer-to-peer services. January 1st, 1983 is considered the official birthday of the Internet. Before this, the computer networks did not have a standard way to communicate with each other. A new communications protocol was established named Transmission Control Protocol or Internet Protocol TCP/IP. The TCP/IP allows computers connected to different networks communicate with each other.